Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about wholesale module which we have here. The purpose of the wholesale module is for you to be able to upload price list spreadsheets and for us to analyze them so you can source profitable products from wholesalers, or if you scrape certain websites using some scrapers, or if you get price lists from somewhere else, you can always upload them inside Arbitrage Hero and we will analyze those spreadsheets for you. To access wholesale module, you can go to wholesale and then press on wholesale suppliers. Once you have done it, you will end up on this page, and here you will see a list of all wholesalers which you have added previously. The reason why we did it is for you to be able to save your wholesaler, to configure price lists for them, so next time you get a fresh price list from the same supplier, you can upload them here without any changes. So let's create a new one. Let's say XYZ. So let's add one, call it XYZ. For your convenience, we also have a Supplier website, so if you forget it, then you will be able to find it here. But you don't have to put the URL here, you can put anything. So let's put XYZ here. So once you have done it, you can edit that supplier. Basically, you can edit its name. You can upload the file, and if you have previously uploaded your spreadsheet, then we have an eye looking icon here which you can press and see results for this supplier. And finally, the last button removes that supplier from our system. So let's try to upload a file. So I have dropped my file here, so now I will press upload. And you can see that once the file has been uploaded to our server, here we have read the column names, so you can start selecting which columns to use for certain values. For example, for title we want to use title, for barcode we want to use UPC, for the type of the barcode we want to use UPC, for the price obviously price, and in our spreadsheet we have image and we have URL. Also, we have two switch buttons here. By default, we will try to analyze products only using barcodes, but if you don't have barcodes and you can't select them in the product ID or barcode field, then you can switch it off and select title. But even if you have barcodes, you can also enable title match. In this case, we will try to match products by barcode, and also in addition to that, we will try to find matches using title. So let's finish the upload of this file. Press upload, and as you can see, we have just uploaded more than 1,000 products into our system. Once you have uploaded files to Arbitrage Hero, you will see in the products column the progress bar showing 0 and the number of products which have been uploaded into our system. At the moment, we haven't analyzed any products because these products have been put into the queue, and once all products have been analyzed, then this progress bar should become blue, and on the left hand side you should see exactly the same number as on the right hand side. So once this has happened, this means that Arbitrage Hero has analyzed all the uploaded products for you. So let me pause the video and I will come back to it once we have analyzed all the products from my uploaded list. Okay, you can see that my products have been analyzed and matched because the progress bar is now completely blue, and on the left hand side of this progress bar you can see the same number as on the right hand side. So now I can press this eye looking icon, and Arbitrage Hero goes to the search results for this particular spreadsheet and for this particular wholesaler. So in here you can see the results which we have come up with, and similar to online arbitrage, you can change sorting order. You can also change filtering options as well. So at the moment I don't have any filters, but I could say that I want to have minimum ROI of 20 and maximum BSR 5%. Press apply, and you can see that now we have a little bit smaller list of products here, but we know that we can make 20% ROI, and these products have pretty good sales. In addition to that, you can change the matching score. The higher the matching score, the better. So in my case I was using 88 just randomly, but you can scroll it and try different matching scores, because sometimes suppliers provide very bad titles, and if you put matching score too high you won't see many results. So that's why this matching score should be different for different suppliers depending on the quality of their information which they provide you with. If you are setting FBM, you can enable this option. If you are setting FBA, then you can disable this option, press update, and we will update calculations. So you will see FBA here, for example. Also, we have a second tab here. If Arbitrage Hero couldn't match certain items in your list to anything on Amazon, then you will see a list of those products in this table here. So this is how wholesale model works. I hope that it was helpful, and thank you for watching.